Hey, it's AP, and today we're making fabric wrapping paper. Check it out. This year we want to be a little bit more environmentally friendly. It pains us every Christmas or birthday. At the end of that beautiful event, that memorable event, what do you have? You have a mountain of gift wrap and boxes. And it is painful to see that. It's painful because you cannot recycle gift wrap. Most gift wrap you cannot take to the recycle bin. You have to throw it away and it goes right into the landfill. So we're deciding to do something different this year. Now, don't judge me. This is actually inspired by an episode of Downton Abbey where they were giving out presents and they were wrapped in fabric. And I was like, that's a brilliant idea. Why can't we do that? So that's what we're going to do. And you can do it too. It is stupid simple. All you need is a pair of scissors and some fabric, and you are on your way to making your very own fabric gift wrap. So let's do it. Pretty much you're just cutting up squares. So I picked up this fabric. It was on sale at Joann. It was their Black Friday special. It was like $3 a yard or something like that. So I just bought 6 yards of it. I'm going to use some pinking shears to make a somewhat decorative edge. The pinking shears pretty much they have these teeth in them. It helps prevent the edges from fraying. If you have a serger, you could run the edges through the serger. You could do some overstitching on the edges as well if you so wish, but I'm going to keep this as simple as possible. You could even just use regular old-fashioned scissors. As long as they are sharp, they are made for fabric, and you want to make sure that they're going to cut clean lines. You don't want any loose threads, otherwise it's going to unravel it. Let's cut some fabric. I thought this was perfect for Christmas. But again, you could use any kind of fabric that you want. In terms of size, I've found that there's 3 kind of standard sizes. You have a 28 inches square, which would be kind of like the large size. And then you have a middle size, which is about 18 inches, 19 inches. And then the small size is about 12 inches square. I think I'm just going to do the large size, the 28 inches, because that seems to be the most versatile in terms of shape of boxes that you might be having. And plus we have kids, and so, you know, the boxes tend to be a little bit bigger for kids' gifts. I'll actually probably do an extra large size, which would be probably the full width of this, which I believe is 22 inches, which would make it 44 inches square. So do a 44-inch square. That'll be huge, but that would definitely cover a big present. So now to cut this up in the most efficient way, I'm going to, it's already folded in half. And to get my 28 inches, that means if I cut in 14 inches, and then unfold it, I'm going to have 28 inches. So I'm going to cut down 28. Now I'm doing this on our nice dining room table. If I was doing this properly, I'd have some sort of cutting mat, but I don't have one. But maybe my wife, who is listening to me educate you in the other room, maybe she'll get me a nice big cutting mat for Christmas. Okay, we're going to do a 28-inch square. It's roughly 28. Oh, I have chalk to mark this. There we go. So that's 28 inches. And then I'm going to go up 14 inches. I'm going to cut actually on the line, and this doesn't have to be exactly 14 inches, we're okay. It's all right. Okay. Oh, all right. So we have our first cut. Then I need to cut this way, up and down. And to make it a little bit easier, I'm just going to fold it in half. I'm going to measure up 14 inches. Oh, I probably could have just done this. Duh, Pizzuto. All right, so 14 inches, measure up 14 inches, cut across, And then trim. Now to wrap it, this is very simple. You just take your box and you put it in the center, and then you fold the top up, and you can either let this part drape down or you can fold it. Then you take your next side and you fold that as well. Look at that. Then you kind of pinch this together and pull it up nice and tight. And then you do the same on the other side. Nice and tight. Pinch into a triangle, pull it up. And then you tie it in a knot. And then you tie again. And there you go. You have your very own fabric wrapped present. Now, to take it up a level, you can do a couple things. You can head over to your craft store and pick up some of these fun things. You'll find these at every craft store this time of year. They're cheap little plastic holly berries and pine cones. And all you have to do is stick one up in there. There we go. Oh, look at that. And that just adds some nice character to the present. You could also get some cool tags and write the name of your loved one on there and then attach it to here as well. What's cool about this is if you're doing it at home, you keep the wrapping paper. You can, I would hand wash it and then dry it and then put it away until next year. You do not have to cut these up into holiday themed fabrics. You can pick up solid colors. You can pick up other types of prints that you like and use them for other occasions. You could even pick up some good old-fashioned white muslin or white cotton, get some stamps, and make a family afternoon activity out of it by just painting up the fabric with fabric paints, letting it dry, and then you have your very own custom fabric gift wrap. Super easy, super environmentally friendly. I highly recommend you try it. It will definitely class up your Christmas tree. If you liked what you saw, make sure you give it a like. Make sure you subscribe to the channel so you can be in the know when I upload future project videos like this. I do all kinds of fun stuff, ranging from building furniture to making models and props. All kinds of fun stuff happening here at the channel, so you do not want to miss it. Leave me a comment below if you liked what you saw, if you've given this a try, or if this inspired you to give it a try. I'd love to hear about it. Let me know. If you're a social butterfly like me, head on over to Instagram and Twitter and make sure you give me a follow. I like to tweet out all kinds of crazy nonsense, previews of upcoming projects and behind the scenes photos, all kinds of good stuff. Until next time, stop planning and start making. Thanks for watching.